Get excited about the 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, you'll be sure to appreciate this model's condition and value. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just 1 previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.